This is antibacterial hand spray that I made at home. It's truly effective against any kind of bacteria and virus, especially coronavirus. Nowadays, there is a huge shortage of disinfectant hand sanitizers everywhere. In some places, one bottle of disinfectant hand sanitizer cost is around 100 euros. That is totally insane. What if you cannot find a hand sanitizer at super shop store? Most of the superstores are running out of hand sanitizer as the coronavirus rapidly spreading worldwide. In this situation, don't worry, you can make your own disinfectant hand sanitizer at home. You need a few things only. Sit tightly and follow the steps in this video. The main ingredients of any kind of commercial disinfectant hand sprays are highly concentrated alcohol, aloe vera gel and some oils. That's all. You have to maintain the proper mixture ratio only. This is 99.99% rubbing alcohol named isopropyl alcohol, and it's truly highly concentrated alcohol. Over 90% of concentrated alcohol solutions are the best against virus and bacteria. It is said in science. The proper mixture ratio is 2/3 of rubbing alcohol mixed with 1/3 of aloe vera gel and few drops of oil mixed together. But don't use them too much, only few drops of oil is enough for you. Let's mix them together in the proper mixing ratio. I already make another bottle of antibacterial hand spray or so-called disinfectant hand spray here, you can see, but I'm showing you in practically right now. What I need is, this is aloe vera gel, as you can see. This is highly concentrated alcohol, so-called isopropanol alcohol. It's 99.9% concentration. That means it's completely full of isopropyl alcohol. And I have to use a little bit of oil. Any kind of oil is good. Better is coconut oil or any kind of commercial oil that can kill the bacteria. But I don't have any antibacterial oil. I have only coconut oil. So I'm using it a little bit, not much, to make it feel comfortable on the hand, because only this isopropyl alcohol can make you uncomfortable situation. So this aloe vera gel and coconut oil make you feel more comfortable. So this is the three ingredients that I'm going to mix together in proper mix ratio. I have a glass, open mouth glass. I will put it here. Let's do it from the beginning. First, I'm gonna to mix 4 cups of alcohol here, isopropyl alcohol so-called. It takes some time because this alcohol bottle is almost confined. It's coming a very small amount of alcohol at a time. This is 1, this is 2. Oh, one more thing, you have to be careful because of this concentrated alcohol is highly flammable. So don't do it near to the fire or any hot environment. It could burn your hand. So be careful. This is 3. And this is 4 cups of alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. And then what I need is this aloe vera gel, 2 cups of aloe vera gel to make the ratio 2:1. This is 1 cup. This is 2nd cup of aloe vera gel. It's really thick, so it will make you feel comfortable whenever using this disinfectant hand spray. This is 2 cups. I have to take a little bit more to make it compensation, because I lost some amount with this cup. And then few drops of this oil. It will make you comfortable, like oily feelings on your hand when you are rubbing your hand or finger. So I'm putting this oil through this syringe. Few drops of oil, see. Yeah, that is enough. It's enough. And then mix it properly like this way. It takes some time. You can use any kind of stirring inside of it to stir it. And this solution is ready. So what I did, I have an empty bottle, empty spray bottle. I will put it inside of this empty spray bottle and it will be then done. And I'm using it on my hand. You see, it's so easy.